Hi, Jeff.
Hi.
Okay, will you take the letter that makes the B sound and put it on my head?
B.
Will you put it on my head? Thank you. Will you take the letter that says T, T, and put it in my hand? Thank you. Will you take the letter that says F and put it on the couch?
F. This?
Mm-hmm. Very good. Will you take the letter that says ah, and put it on a pillow? Nice. Will you take the letter that says D, and put it on the TV stand?
Here.
You can put it just right here.
But what's a TV stand called?
This is the TV stand. Very good. Will you take the letter that says K or S and put it underneath the couch?